Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well and enjoying your day wherever you are in the world. Today I thought it would be a fun video to show you how I get my everyday wavy mermaid hair style, because I do this so often. It is literally my go-to hairstyle. Now I have a very strange combination of hair. I've got ringlet curls going on down here, wherever they are, like they're just going for it. Then I have wavy hair back here, and then the front bits are just straight. I don't get it. I don't know why they did not get the memo. They're just straight and frizzy and weird. Like, no thank you. So a lot of the times, if I'm not having a very good hair day, which is 9 times out of 10, I need to fix this. I don't know if it's because I straightened my hair a lot when I was younger, or it just decided to never curl. I don't know why. But I thought, in case you guys have curly hair, wavy hair, or you just want to try something else out, something new and fresh and fun for summer coming up, then this is the hairstyle for you. So all you actually need to do this hairstyle is a straightening iron. Now, oh, look at that. I've matched. I've got a cohesive color scheme happening here. Oh my, that was not intentional. But this one here is just a GHD. This is a few years old now, so I actually don't know if they still sell these exact ones, but I've used these for quite a few years now and they just are amazing. I love a GHD, so great. They're just like my standard hairstyling tool. I don't know, they're great. Definitely not sponsored, by the way. I wish. Hey GHD, if you want to sponsor me, go for it. But he works so well. They last forever. They're such good quality and I love it. So I just use just a standard straightening iron because it's easy, it's convenient, and I found that the other mermaid hair tools or crimping tools just never seem to get the right wave. So I like to do it manually with a straightening iron. So let me show you exactly how I achieve my mermaid wavy hairstyle. So what I'm going to show you guys today is, because I have wavy hair at the bottom, I actually 9 out of 10 times don't touch it, because that also saves me a lot of time in the morning when I'm going out to work or just getting ready for the day. It just makes it so much easier that I don't have to deal with all of this. Oh, she's ready. If you do have straight hair or wavy hair, want to do this throughout your whole head, please feel free to. It's the same technique. But yes, as I said, because I have waves down here, I actually leave it, and I like to try to use as least amount of heat on my hair. Now, what I do is I just grab my straightening iron, and I grab just a little piece. So let's just start with my front piece here. And I pretty much do a motion like I grab, and that's it. I kind of call it a zigzag is the best way to do it. And sometimes you have to go over just a few times, but even that has made it look a little bit better, especially when my hair is brushed or just brushed. I find that sometimes it needs a little bit more attention. Now that's a bit better there. That's what we're looking for. Now, probably what my mistake, this is actually a perfect scenario right now to show you. This one, I angled the front piece, my wand, a little bit more like this. So this one, I'll actually do it this way around so I can use my hand correctly, but I'll put it more of an angle, especially for that front piece, because it frames the face just that little bit nicer. Now I will continue to do this for the rest of my head. Now I'll just show you a bit of more of a slower close-up video. Let me grab a good piece for you guys. So I just grab about a little bit of an inch, that much hair. You could even do a little bit less depending on how tight or big you want your waves. Just grab from the front, push out, and then rotate and push down, out, and down, out, and down. And I continue that throughout the hair, and that will give just a very nice subtle wave. So once the whole head is done, it actually looks like an almost very natural hairstyle. If you're finding that the waves are going quite small, what you probably need to do is just a slight deeper pull underneath. Let me show you. So you probably need to go a bit more there, a bit more down, a bit more out. And then that will get you a bit more of a wave there. Now my hair is very fluffy because I have just brushed it. So it's a bit hard to see exactly what it is, but this is why sometimes I will go over it twice, especially if my hair is extra fluffy. Just seems to make it hold a little bit better and look a little bit better. And that is how I do my mermaid wavy hair. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. It would mean a lot to me. Now this hairstyle is so simple, so quick and so easy to do. Honestly, it lasts all day. I don't know what it is about it, but it just seems to stay as it does. And it just, I feel like it looks great. I just think it's so flattering. I think it just elevates your hair instantly, and it's so quick and easy. Honestly, I love it so much. Comment down below if you will give this a shot, and if you have, tell me, what did you think? Did it work for you? I'd love to know. But yes, thank you guys again, and I will see you next time. Bye!